Hello, I'm Wesley Butler with Transsoft Solutions. Welcome to our how-to videos for ParkCAD. With the use of the Maximize Stall Count tool, which is found in the Generate by Lot from Boundary dialog box, ParkCAD can generate multiple iterations of a layout and rank these by stall count in a table. This allows the user to almost instantly find the orientation of stalls and aisles that gives the maximum number of stalls for a particular boundary. There are two methods used to find options. Snap generation creates rows parallel to the different sides of a boundary, and rotation generation method tries small changes in angle with the option of small shifts to find as many possible solutions as the user requests. This automated tool for generating lots from boundary is particularly powerful for the largest boundary areas. For the larger the area, the more options there are to consider. Once the software has generated the options, we can view and compare them. We can choose one by selecting Draw and Close, or go back to the Lot from Boundary dialog box and make changes by selecting Change Parameters. For example, changing to small stalls in the interior will lead to different results.